Hello dear winers, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making fish filling that is perfect for all of your fish pies or fish rolls, whatever the case may be. So first you're going to wash your fish like you can see me doing. You're going to put it in a clean pot, then you start to season. I'm going to be adding thyme, curry, ginger and garlic, seasoning cubes, and a little bit of water. Now that's where the trick is. You're going to add just enough water to get your fish cooked, and then you want all of the water to absorb into the fish so that you don't have to have any fish stock remaining, because this enhances the fish, the delicious taste of the fish filling. So you're going to give that a good mix, going with some onions, and then just cover it up and allow it to cook. You can see that our fish is cooking really nicely, and I'm just mixing it to just make sure that everything is still going okay. So by now this fish is ready. You can see that the same quantity of water that we started with isn't the same now, and the fish is ready. So you're going to transfer that to a clean plate or a clean bowl, whatever you prefer working with, and then we start to debone. Deboning simply means we're removing all of the bones so that you don't end up swallowing a bone while eating your fish pies or fish rolls, or enjoying your fish filling, as the case may be. So this is me just carefully selecting all of the bones, and then I'm mashing all of the fish into tiny bits, as you can see me doing in the video. And then I'm going to get a pan, and I'm going to put in some vegetable oil, and I'm going to allow that to heat up. Then I go in with some grated carrots. Like I said, don't worry about the exact measurements. I'm going to keep them in the description box so that you can always refer back to it. Then I'm going to go in with some scotch bonnet peppers for a little bit of heat, because we want a bit of spiciness. Then you're going to give that a good mix and just allow that to simmer on low heat. Then you're going to pour in the fish that you have deboned, and you're going to just mix that, and just like that, your fish filling, your delicious filling, I beg your pardon, is ready. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and whatever questions you might have, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll respond. Thanks for watching. Bye.